and welcome back to Cooking Up the Harvest. I'm Kimberly Titlebaum, your cook from Recipes for Success, and we're in partnership with the beautiful High Point Library. And now we're really getting into summer, and if you don't have cucumbers yet, you will soon. And if you're not growing cucumbers, you're missing out. But go to any farmer's market and they are in abundance. And what a great treat cucumbers are for your body during the summer. They're absolutely wonderful for hydration. You know, one of the things that people get the sickest from summertime is dehydration and sunstroke. Staying hydrated is so important, and there's a lot of course you should drink a lot of water, but did you know you can eat your way to hydration? And cucumbers is a great way to do that. They're full of water, they're full of fiber, and they're absolutely wonderfully full of potassium, vitamin C, you didn't know that, did you? Vitamin A and vitamin K. Vitamin K is kind of hard to get, but it's rich in cucumbers. Now, there's some wonderful things you can do besides making a salad. We're going to be making a salad in a few minutes, but one of my absolute favorite things to do with cucumbers is to make a big pitcher of cucumber water and just drink on it all day. Now, a lot of us just don't like to drink water out of the tap. I'm one of them. But if you take a big pitcher of water and you slice up some cucumber real thin, put it in, peel some lemon, put the lemon peel in the water, and maybe take a few mint leaves and put that in. Let it chill in the fridge. Oh, it is absolutely marvelous. It's refreshing, and it has no calories. You notice we didn't put any sugar in that. But it's flavorful, it's delicious, and for those of us who tend to put on a little water weight, it will help you rid yourself of that water weight. So think about making yourself a nice cucumber water to drink sometime this summer. Now today we're going to make a southern favorite, and it's just the world's simplest cucumber salad. And I absolutely love it. I love it because you can make it and just eat on it that day, and the marinade keeps for weeks, and you just keep adding your vegetables to it as you start to deplete it. And this will just stay in your fridge. You can eat it you can eat it 3 meals a day. I know because I do. What you do is I like to start off with sliced onion, and I like to use sweet onions. My best friend, she swears by red. You figure out what you like the best. And we just put it in a container that can go into the fridge. I put a little bit of onion on the bottom, and then I start layering. Now I've sliced my cucumbers, so I'm going to put a layer of cucumbers down, and then I'm going to put, now these are herbs I collected myself from my very own garden. I've minced a little dill and a little bit of basil. Oh, I wish you could smell it. It smells just delicious. Fresh herbs in the summertime are just an absolute blessing. And if you don't have access to them, just go to your grocery store. In most grocery stores, you can get fresh herbs. But you know what? They're so easy to grow. Talk to Mark Taylor here at the library. He'll tell you everything you want to know about growing herbs. You could do it year-round. And even if you don't have your own land, you can grow them right on your windowsill. It's worthwhile. Now on top of my herbs, I'm just going to put a couple of slices of tomatoes. These are my very first tomatoes they came out of my garden. And then when I get my tomatoes in, I just put another layer of onion, a few more cucumbers. Now I like my cucumbers sliced thin, but this is purely a matter of choice. If you like them thicker, you can. And now a little bit of my herbs, some more tomato, and a little bit more onion. And you just keep layering it as much as you want. Now as you can see, I've got it filled up and alternating onions and cucumbers and herbs and tomatoes, and I just repeat the process. Now, you make the marinade. Now what I've gotten here is about 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's rather a lot, but I'm going to pour in about a little over a half cup. Now I'm using rice wine vinegar vinegar today. And sometimes I change up. I love to use apple cider vinegar or white wine vinegar. There's almost no limit to what you want to do. And then I add salt. You gotta put a little salt in, but you don't have to put too much. And I'm gonna say that's about 5 or 6 good shakes. And this, I'm just using fine sea salt. Now, this is what really makes it. A couple of years ago, I discovered fresh ground pepper, and I've never gone back. This really brightens up the flavor, and being fresh ground just emphasizes that pepper flavor. You can have too much salt in these. I don't think you can quite have too much pepper. So I put my pepper, so all we have in here is vinegar, sugar, salt, pepper, and I'm just gonna cover this up. And because I want my sugar to dissolve, I'm just gonna shake it. Now, if you've got a little one in your, younger than you in your home, just put the top on really good and let them shake, shake, shake. It's a lot of fun. Looks to be pretty well mixed up, and just pour it right into your container. Then all you have to do is put a top on, like so, and pop it in the fridge over there. It makes a great summer salad. It goes great with chicken. It goes great with fish. It goes great as a snack by itself, and it's wonderfully refreshing and terribly healthy. Try it yourself and then tell me what you think. See you next time on Cooking Up the Harvest.